Hey, hello everyone. How are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the macOS Monterey Beta 2, and it is actually not the Beta 2, it is actually first public beta. So today, finally we got, after 24 hours, we have finally received the macOS public beta, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to install it. And as you can see, this is the build number, and in order to install it, I have linked this Apple website in the description. You can just click that and go to this website. After going into this website, as you can see, we have that big sign up button. You have to just click on the sign up button, and after clicking on the sign up button, it will take a second or two, and then you have to verify yourself. I mean, enter your password of Apple ID, or simply just do it with Touch ID on your MacBook or iMac. You can do it, and after doing that, it will load up for like another 3-4 seconds. Let's wait for that. And after doing that, you have to scroll down a little bit, and you can read it. You can pause the video and read it, but the main thing that we are looking for is get started. And here, as you can see, we have enroll your Mac. You have to click on enroll your Mac, and after clicking on that, it will show you the screen. You can pause and read this backup your Mac, and you can back up your Mac via time machine. You can pause the video and read it, or go on the website and read it yourself. And then second step, as we can see, enroll your Mac, we have to click on this big blue button, and after doing that, you have to wait for the installation, which will take just a few seconds, milliseconds. As you can see, it is already installed on my Mac. And then you have to open the DMG file, and after opening the file, you can see right now I'm just showing to you guys. So basically I have not done anything, so you have to click on agree and agree all that terms. You can read it, and then we have to put in a passcode. Let me do it, and after doing that, it will take a second or two to just run every package and all, and then you will have macOS Monterey on your device. Let's go. I know you were excited for this update, and yep, congratulations, your Mac can finally run the macOS Monterey. And after installing this update, yep, you will be entered in the macOS Monterey beta. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you all, consider hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and peace out. Oh.